today's video, I take you to a frozen Malthouse Broad in Ranworth. Then on to Wroxham Broad, where they must be absolutely frozen because they're sailing. And then on to Barton Broad, where I actually found a boat. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've my friend Judith out with me today. She had her hip and shoulder operated on a week before Christmas. Now she's more mobile. We went for a drive just to see what we could find and include in today's video. As you'll see, the majority of the Broad is frozen. When I was here recently filming, there was a couple of cruisers, a fishing boat, but it's nothing like that today. Far too cold and frozen for everybody. We're just discussing how the gulls and the ducks don't seem to mind that it's frozen. And of course, because we were chatting, I wasn't ready for a pair of ducks who flew in, landed on the ice, slid for goodness knows how far, probably about 6 foot. Absolutely fine. You think they'd break a leg or break a wing. But no, they just seem to accept it's frozen and that's that. It does seem as though it's beginning to thaw out. As lovely as it is, just sat here watching the ducks. It's probably a good time to move on to somewhere else. So, how are you fixed for climbing Ranworth Church Tower today then, Jude?
Might have to postpone that one for a month or two.
Do you think? Yeah. Let's have a little look.
Yeah, might be able to abseil down it, but I'm not sure about climbing up.
We'll give that one a miss today then, shall we?
Yeah, I think so, maybe. Yeah.
No definite route planned for today. We just head towards Wroxham. Some very brave sailors are going around Wroxham Broad. They must be absolutely frozen. So at this point, Judith and I get the coffee out and sit in a nice warm car, drinking coffee, eating our lunch and watching the sailors. Then they disappeared off down to the other end of the Broad and I thought, oh no, is that all? But no, they came back. So lunch is over. We've thoroughly enjoyed having the sailing boats to watch while eating lunch, so thanks to them. And I think it's time for somewhere else now. Let's go and have a look. The narrow single track lanes, country lanes, are still requested by you. So here you are. I hope you enjoy this one. In case you're wondering where I am, I'm actually heading towards Neatishead. As you can see, I didn't meet a single car coming the other way. I was going to ask you if you could guess where I was, as I'm in amongst some lichen and moss. And then I remembered at the beginning of the video, I've already told you where I am next. While at the Broad, I spotted tufted ducks, mallards, teal. If you can spot anything out in amongst them, let me know in the comments. I wonder if the gull ever spots his reflection. No, I doubt it as well. When it's windy, it's quite difficult to get nice steady footage. Remember the sign, the information sign saga I told you about when new signs arrived and then they disappeared? And then I made a video about them and miraculously they came back. Well, today it's this cabinet door. Let's see if we can get this fixed. Keeps blowing open in the wind and the magazines keep going everywhere. So I've put the magazines back in the cabinet. I've shut the door and let's see how long they last. And if anybody's watching and they can go and fix the door and the cabinet, that'd just be absolutely wonderful. Thank you. You all laugh at me, and that's fine, I don't mind at all. But I always say when I spot something, and clearly somebody watches, because when I go back next time, it's been rectified. The power of social media, eh? The only boat I spotted today. Clearly the place for cormorants to be in the middle of the afternoon. Nice little gathering of them. I always call this turkey tail fungi. Whether I'm right or not, I don't know, but it looks like it. And then the moss and the ice, which all look beautiful to me. I don't know if you agree. And the lichen. Beautiful. I know you probably get fed up when we keep saying this in every single video, but I feel it's important too. And that is that if you've enjoyed this video, please could you give it a like for me. You can share any of my videos to your social media. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then perhaps you'd like to do so. You'll be given notifications each time I upload a new video. All these things help the algorithms, boost my video a little bit, and then reach a greater audience. And everybody see how fabulous the Norfolk Broads are. This is probably just about it now for today. Have a good week and I'll be back again on Wednesday with a new video for you, which I have no idea where I'm going to go and film it. But somehow, somewhere, I'll have a new video for you. Until then, bye for now.